Unbox my spicy bags with me part 1. Yeah, I ordered some spicy because I ran out of stock for my cooking. I told you I only use natural spicy to make my food. I don't use artificial seasonings. I don't use maggi and all that. So I ran out of stock and I ordered them. So let's unbox a spicy bag together. This is part 1. Like, some have arrived. I'm still getting some. Okay, I'm taking my time to cut through this nylon one by one because the thing was just wrapped around together. I'm taking my time to cut it so I don't make mistake and cut through the spicy bags inside. Yeah, that's why I'm taking my time like this. All right, guys, remember, if you're not yet following my page or you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly follow, give this video a like and share. Let's have a look of some spices that we need to be cooking. And with this spicy, you don't need any seasoning cube. All right, so here, this is crayfish. This crayfish is not part of what I ordered, but I guess it's a free gift because the vendor mentioned she was going to add a free gift for me inside. Okay, so let's see what is inside the bag. Everything all wrapped up in a nylon. Here I have fenugreek. No, this is fennel seed. Here I have fennel seed, the seed itself. This is fennel seed. So this spicy, I use it for a lot of things. I use it to cook rice, make sauce, season meats and all that. I already made some video on what I use the spices to do, so you can go check the video. All right, this is fenugreek seed. I like to buy the seed. I don't like to buy the powder because what I do is I take out some portions and I blend it. Maybe a portion that will last me for like 2 weeks or 1 month. I blend it, and after use, it just retains the aroma. All right, this is sea salt. Yeah, I started using sea salt to cook, and it's a game changer. This is dates. I actually added this date because I want to use it to make some smoothie. Yeah, and this is coriander seed. I will have to blend it and cook whatever I want to cook with it. As I mentioned before, I have made a video on what you can use the spices to cook. You can check the link in the comment section of this video. I'll drop the link. All right, here we have cloves. Oh, cloves for your native delicacy. I have cloves. You need cloves in your house. Every household actually need cloves. It is medicinal. It can be used for a whole lot of things, not just for cooking. Yes, so, and this is so fresh. The aroma was just entering my nose when I was playing with it. And here we have some garlic cloves. I like to use my garlic fresh. I don't like powdered garlic. But I think with this, I will have to make some powdered garlic myself. Just dry out some portion of it, blend it and keep. So here, this is supposed to be tatashe. Yeah, I ordered dry tatashe to augment my stew. But I ended up saying shombo. I don't know what I'll have to do with it. Maybe I'll just blend it and keep. But then it is what it is. So here we have some neem powder. This neem powder, I majorly use it for my hair. Then just for a few times I use it to cook. It has this kind of bitter taste, so I don't really use it so much like that. Same as flaxseed. Flaxseed, you can use it to cook actually, but mostly I use it for my hair. Yeah, and yeah, because the spices actually I use both for cooking and I use for my hair. Just you can play around with it. That's one good thing about all these natural spices. You can do a lot of things with them. They have lots of healthy benefits. Do you understand me? So that is us. After this, we have some. Okay, this is still the coriander. I think everything is all set for now. This is everything part 1. I'm still expecting some orders and I'm going to keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like, share, drop a comment. Bye.